Want to save time fulfilling orders? Let's go over how to use the DSers bulk order tool. One of its best features. First, go to the open orders tab in DSers. Here's you'll see all unfulfilled orders from your Shopify store instead of clicking each one manually. Just select the checkbox at the top of select all orders. Then click place order to AliExpress, and DSers will process every order in one go. No copy pasting, no switching tabs, and just one click. And the tool sends the orders to the correct AliExpress suppliers. Once the orders are placed, DSers automatically syncs tracking numbers back to Shopify once your supplier ships them. This saves you hours every week, especially if you're scaling. In 2025, DSers also improved order batching speed and added real-time error checks, so you will know immediately if an order needs fixing. That's it. Bulk orders done fast with DSers. If this helped, I'll drop a like, hit subscribe, and watch my next video where I'll show you how to handle tracking and auto updates for customers using DSers.